Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate one of the features that got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative, that is opening the browser window in full screen mode. So let's get started. First of all, what is this full screen mode? Let me explain. For that, I'll open this browser. Okay, this is a browser window, and I'll open an application URL here. Okay, application URL has been loaded here. Fine. Now, this browser window is in which mode? Is it in resized mode or is it in maximized mode? It is in maximized mode. Okay, this is a maximized mode, guys, and this is a resized mode. Okay, whatever you are seeing now, I can resize like this. This is a resized mode. Whereas if I click on the square bracket, this is a maximized mode. Then what is a full screen mode then? This is not the full screen mode, right? This is a maximized mode. Here in the maximized mode, you can see the URL here. Okay, you can see the URL of the application here in the browser window. You can see the application URL in the maximized mode. But what is the full screen mode? In this Chrome browser, if you want to view this particular application URL page in a full screen mode, you have to select these three dots and select this option. Okay, here three dots select and then select this square option. When you see full screen option, this is select that. Now the application is now visible in the which mode? This is what is full screen mode, guys. So over the mouse here, you will get this cross option. Click on the cross option to come out of the full screen mode. Okay. Again, we came back to the maximize mode. If you want to go again to the full screen mode, you have to select this option. So in Selenium, how to view this particular application in a full screen mode? Let me demonstrate. For that, I'll open this Eclipse IDE, and here we have a sample project. Here inside the sample project, we have the sample automation script already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing that Chrome browser, and after that, it will open the application URL in the browser. After opening the application URL in the browser, I want to switch to full screen mode. For that, similar to maximized mode here, whatever the statement you have written like driver.manage.window.maximize, so this last command will change, guys. Okay, the same statement, but here instead of the maximize, you will write full screen. Okay, so driver dot manage dot window dot same right, driver dot manage dot window, but here last command will be full screen. Okay, so this full screen command got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative. Okay, which will switch our browser window or application URL loaded browser window page to full screen mode. Okay, run this, right click, run as Java application. So it will open the Chrome browser in resize mode first. First, it will open the Chrome browser in the resize mode and it will maximize. Then it will open the application URL and then you see resize mode, maximize mode, open the application URL. After the application URL is open, it will take you to the full screen mode. Okay, let the application URL load. You see now it has taken us to the full screen mode. Okay, this is what is full screen mode, right? In the full screen mode, you will not see any application URL, guys. Okay, only in maximize mode and resize mode, you will see the application URL of this particular page. But here in the full screen mode, you see nowhere the URL is displayed. Again, in the maximize or resize mode, you can see this application URL. Let me run it again, guys. You'll see it again for the final time. First, it will open in the resize mode. First, the Chrome browser will open in the resize mode. Yes, this is the resize mode. You see the maximize mode, and here it is a full screen mode. Okay, come out to the full screen mode. Again, you will come to the resize mode or whatever it is. So, hope guys you understood how to open the browser window in full screen mode, and this feature got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.